If you're wondering how the pods work on your Bosch Tassimo machine, I'm going to show you the flow of water. It might help you if you want to fix faults on this device here. So if you have a look at the actual machine itself and open it up, then we can see here that this is actually where the water comes into the pod, and then it comes out here into your actual cup of coffee. So it comes out through the middle here. So let's take this out. And then if we bring this down to the pod, it's shaped like this here. So this is how it's going to be. And if you look really closely when you take the foil off, the water comes in here and it looks like it's sealed, but it's not. There is actually a tiny little slit just here and just here. You might be able to see it more clearly on this one. So there's a little slit just here. You can see my tweezers are in it now, just here and also here. And what happens is, the water works its way around the channel, and we have another slit here, bearing in mind that it's all covered over with the foil. So we have a slit here and another slit here and another one corresponding here and over this side as well. So then the water works its way into here and it mixes with the coffee or the hot chocolate or the milk. And then if you have a look here, it then enters the middle part here. We have big sections here for it to go through. Then it goes down and it comes out through this area. If we have a look here, you can see that the slits are a lot smaller. Remember, it's under pressure. And if we come back to the machine, this is where the water comes shooting out of, just this little bit here. So you can see just in the middle there, that's where the water will come out of. And these bits here are the bits that pierce the foil, and the reason it stays waterproof is because this is all rubber. So this is nice soft rubber around here. So if you have a look here, the bits that do the piercing are then sealed with the rubber of this device here, like so. So that's why you haven't got water leaking out everywhere, you've only got water coming through this part here. So that's it, that's how the flow of water works on these. It might help you fault find your machine. Thanks for watching.